Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shocks and accidental activation. This saves fuses and makes testing safe. Gather tools: a #2 Phillips screwdriver, a flat trim tool, mechanic gloves, and a 12-volt 21/5W replacement bulb matched to OEM specs. Open the rear hatch and work with the vehicle cooled, because the bulb and lens can be hot immediately after driving. Keep a small tray for screws and a flashlight for better visibility while you access the housing. Open the rear hatch and remove the inner trim or access panel. On a 2012 Jeep Liberty, remove 2 Phillips screws securing the tail lamp access plate, then pull the plate away. Reach into the housing, grasp the bulb socket, and rotate counterclockwise 1/4 turn to unlock. Pull the socket straight out from the lamp assembly. Remove the 12-volt 21/5W bulb by pulling it straight from the socket. Inspect the socket contacts for corrosion and test the old bulb on a 12-volt power source if you are unsure whether it failed. Install the new 12-volt 21/5W bulb by pushing it firmly into the socket until it seats fully. Avoid touching the glass with bare fingers to prevent hot spots. Use gloves or a clean cloth. Reinsert the socket into the lamp assembly, rotate clockwise to lock it in place, then reinstall the access panel and tighten the Phillips screws snugly. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, then test the brake lights using an assistant or by pressing the pedal while backing up to a reflective surface. If the replacement still does not light, inspect the 10A or 15A tail light fuse and check socket continuity with a multimeter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.